Hello students, welcome to my lecture number 4. It is based on factors based on identities. The identity is a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A square minus b square here is, it is the sum and difference of the term a and b, as you can see it here. Okay, to make you understand it better, let us take up an example. As you can see on your screen, question number 1, it is given to factorize x square minus 81. It is given here to factorize x square minus 81. Okay, so now we need to express as square terms. Both the terms should be expressed as square of some term. So x square is, again, it is a square of x, correct, and 81 is square of 9. So it is a square minus b square. So as per the formula, it is x minus 9 difference term and the product with the product of sum term. Sum is x plus 9. So the answer is x minus 9, x plus 9. You can see the answer which is worked out here. Now let us take up another example. 36y square, 36y square, 36y square minus 25. Okay, so 36y square minus 25. Let us take up this example, 36y square minus 25. Okay, you should express it as the square of a term. So 36y square is square of 6y minus 25 is square of 5, correct? So now we need to express it as sum and difference. So this is the difference, product of sum and difference, 6y plus 5. So it is the product of sum and difference. So the answer is, you can see the answer here also. Now the third question is 1 minus 64b square. 1 minus 64b square. The questions are very simple right now, but I have taken it up for your better understanding. Many of you may have completed this chapter in your schools. Okay, still I want to take the chapter for your better understanding, if some of you not having that. So 64b square can be expressed as square of 8b and 1 is expressed as square of 1. So now you need to express as a product of sum and difference. So this is the difference term, this is the product, and this is the sum term. Okay, so this is your answer to the question. Now come to another question number 4. It is given here 9 by 16 minus 25 x square. So if you now express it as a square of some number, so it is 3 by 4 square. 9 by 16 can be expressed as square of 3 upon 4 minus 25 can be expressed as square of 5, and x square is expressed as 5x square. So not x square is 5x square, that I mean to say 25x square can be expressed as 5x whole square. So now you need to express it as sum and difference of the terms. So this is the difference, this is the difference, and this is the sum. Sorry, 5x. This is the sum. So this is, oh sorry, just wait, just wait, just wait. It is wrongly written here. I just want to erase it and again write it. So now the other term is 3 upon 4 plus 5x. This is your answer for the question number 4. Now come to question number 5, visible on your screen. It is what is asked here. The question is 3m minus n square whole square minus m minus 2n whole square. Okay, so it is again square of two terms. So don't get panic seeing these terms. That is 3m minus n and m minus 2n. Okay, so you need to express it as a sum and difference. So let us start it here. So 3m minus n, this term minus this term, so minus of this term, so it will be minus m plus 2n because we are subtracting. Now adding 3m minus n plus m minus 2n. Okay, now 3m minus m, 2m minus n plus 2n, it is plus n. And what about this 3m plus m, 4m, and minus n minus 2n, it will become minus 3n. So this is your answer. You can check it, the answer here. Now come to question number 6. Question number 6 is 16 a plus b whole square minus 9 a minus b whole square. So 16 is a whole square of 4. That means 4 square is 16. and a plus b. So we can entirely express the thing as square of this. Correct. Now minus 3, 9 is square of 3. Okay, so and a minus b whole square, you can put the 9 multiplied by a minus b, this term as this term. Okay, now express it as difference and product of difference and sum. So okay, now you can put it directly. I'm going to do it direct. See what will happen. 4a plus 4b. Okay, 4a plus 4b. Now minus of what? 3a plus 3b, because it is minus 3b, but when we are subtracting, the first term is difference of the terms, so it is while taking the difference it will become plus 1, and the other term is 4a plus 4b plus 3a minus 3b. 4a minus 3a becomes a, 4b plus 3b becomes 7b. Correct. Now the other bracket, if you solve the other bracket, this bracket, it will become 7a, 4a plus 3a becomes 7a, and 4b minus 3b becomes b plus b. Okay, so answer is, this is your answer, that is a plus 7b and 7a plus b. So this is your answer. Now another question is, see the question number 7. The question number 7 is 16 a to the power 4 minus 81 b to the power 4. So it will become, you should express it as a square terms. So 16 is square of 4, and you can express a to the power 4 as a square square, square of a square. So 81 can be expressed as square of 9, and b to the power 4 can be expressed as square of b square. So the term becomes this. Now we need to express as sum and difference, product of sum and difference of these terms. So this is the difference term, and this is the sum term. Correct? Oh, sorry, this. Okay, now see, now see this. This is again a square minus b square. Correct? So I'm bringing this to here. What it will be? I'm writing it direct. Okay. Now I think you are able to do this. So it is 2a plus or minus 3b 2a plus 3b and 4a square plus 9b square. Correct. This is your answer. You can write the answer in either way. Either this is also correct, this is same. Okay, so this is question number 7. Come to question number 8. It is given 3 minus 75 z square, correct? So if you see this question, yeah, uh, it is not very obvious. Yeah, it is, you need to put some attention to see how to take the, how to make the given term as a square of some other term, how to express it as a square. So if you see the numbers 3 and 75, you can first of all find the, try to take the HCF of 3 and 75. That means that I want to say take 3 as common. Okay, now I have taken 3 as common. So the, now inside the bracket it would be 1 minus what, 25, 3 is 75. Now this is the inside back bracket, inside the bracket. Now it is, now you can express this term as a square of some different terms. What are those terms? So those quantities are, suppose I am putting this bracket, 1 square minus, you can express it 5z square, correct? So now this will become 1 minus 5z and 1 plus 5z. Okay, so this is your answer. Now come to question number 9. Question number 9 is 48 a square b square minus 3. Again the same thing, you need to take common out. So first of all take 3 common outside, that means I want to take HCF. So 16 16 3s are 48, 16 a square b square minus 1. Okay, so now you should express it as 4ab square minus square of 1. Now 3 and inside a bracket ab minus 1 multiplied by ab plus 1. This is your answer. I think you got the point. Now come to question number 10, visible on your screen. It is 4x cube minus 81x. Okay, first of all check the number. 4, this is even number, 81 this is odd number, you cannot take out a common. Okay, again one more thing, 4 it is a square of 2 and 81 is a square of 9, so we can express it as square of 2 and 9. Okay, now see x cube and x to the power 1 here. Okay, we cannot express it as square term. So what is the HCF of x cube and x? It is x. Okay, so take it out. So what remains in bracket, in the bracket inside is, just wait, I want to erase and put the correct bracket here. Just wait. Okay, so now so I have taken x as common outside the bracket. Now you need to put a bracket here, and inside the bracket it becomes 2x. I'm directly expressing at it as this minus 9 square. I hope you understood. Correct. Now x 2x minus 3 minus 9, not 3, and 2x plus 9. Answer. Understood? Okay, now come to question number 11. Same. Both question number 11 and question number 10, I put it like you can, it is very much obvious. Here it is in question number 10, the first term is x cube. Here it is x plus y whole cube, but you can assume that it is an x cube. How? Just I'm telling. X cube means I want to say you can by seeing x plus y whole cube don't get panic. It is a cube of a quantity. Just take it like that. Don't see it as a sum or different of some big terms. Okay, so I'm doing it here. Question number 11. It is 9x plus y whole cube. It is one term and it is x plus y. Now it is, now you take x plus y as common. X plus y, I have taken x plus y common because in question number 10 it was x. Here it is x plus y. Okay, but the thing is same. Put bracket inside the bracket, you can put it. Okay, let us put it for your better understanding like this. This is left inside the bracket. Correct. Now what should be our next step? X plus y. Okay, our next step is x plus y, bracket closed, put another bracket. 9 you can express it as a this, correct. 3 with x plus y, bracket another bracket. Just let me put the correct bracket here by erasing and rewriting the term. Let us, yes, now let us do it again. Okay, so big box bracket. Now inside is like this, 3x plus y, this bracket is closed, this is square, minus 4 square. Okay, so now x plus y is common there, taken out, and the sum and difference. 3x plus y, 3x plus y minus 4. This is one thing, correct? Okay, and this is another thing. Another term is x plus y plus 4. Okay, now you can open the bracket inside x plus y, so it will become 3x plus 3y. I am opening the bracket, this bracket, okay, minus 4, and another bracket is 3x. If you open the bracket inside, 3x plus 3y plus 4. So this is our answer for the above question. So this is worked out here. You can see the answer here too. Just wait. You can see I have directly done it here. Now come to this question number 12. In question number 12, the question is 1 minus 0.49 c to the power 6. Okay, we need to express it as a square. You can see that 49 is a square of 7. So let us express it as a square quantity. Minus, it is square root of 49. 0.49 is 0.7. I hope you know how to take the square. So it will become 0.7 c cube. The square of this will become, okay, now it is expressed as, because when you multiply 0.7 by 0.7, 7 sevens are 49. Correct, 1 and 2, 1, 2. Okay, one thing. And another thing is, we want to express c power 6 as a square quantity. So how can we do that? Put it like c to the power 3 square. Okay, so c6 as a square term is like this. You can express c6 as this. So now we need to express as a product of sum and difference. So the first, if you put the sum term first, you can write it as 0.7 c cube first term, and another term is 1.7 c cube. So this is your answer. Okay, see, in some other chapters, I will tell you how to, even we can factorize this term also. Okay, but right now I am not doing it, expressing it here. We will do it in some other chapters. Now come to question number 13. 1 minus 64 3m minus 5n whole square. Okay, so we need to first of all express it 1 as a square of 1 minus, now I'm doing it, putting it directly. Okay, so be aware, 8 3m minus 5n. Okay, so we can put it like this. Now 1 minus or plus, you can say, take anything. So here now I am taking it as a plus first term, plus or minus, even you can take it minus. You can make a difference first, or you can make sum first, so it depends on you. So 1 plus sum 8 3m minus 5n, this is the first term. Okay, now the second term will be difference 8 inside bracket 3m minus 5n bracket closed. Now it is 1 plus, open the bracket, this bracket, 8 3s are 24 m This plus multiplied by this minus will become minus, so put minus, minus. Now 8 into this 8 multiplied by this 5 get 40. 8 5 is a 40 n. This is one bracket. Another bracket, start another bracket by opening inside. 8 3 is a 24 minus 24m, and this minus get multiplied by this minus, so it will become plus. 8 5 is a 40n. So this is the answer for the question, as you can see in question number 13. So this is the answer. Now come to question number 14. What does question number 14 says? It is given 1 by 4 x plus y whole square minus 9 upon 16 x minus y whole square. Okay, let us express it as a squared quantity. So it will become like this: 1 by 2 x plus y. Okay, now like this, minus 3 by 4, because 9 by 16 is square of 3 by 4, x minus y, put it like this, and square. Now sum and product of sum and difference, or difference and sum, in any way that you can put it. So 1 by 2 x plus y, I need to put some different bracket, change the bracket like this. Okay, so I'm adding first 3 upon 4 x minus y, bracket closed, start another bracket, half x plus y minus 3 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4 multiplied to be multiplied by 3 upon 4 to be multiplied by, here it is to be multiplied by what, x minus y. Correct. Now bracket is closed here. Open the bracket in first, I'm opening first bracket, so it is 1 by 2x, okay, plus 1 by 2y. Now open the second bracket inside the first bracket, 3 upon 4 x minus 3 upon 4 y. Okay, close this bracket, start another bracket, 1 by 2 x plus 1 by 2 y minus 3 upon 4 x plus 3 upon 4, minus minus become plus, minus minus become plus means when we multiply minus with a minus, it becomes plus, positive. So now solve this, 1 by 2x and 3 by 4x. What will happen? I think you know how to add 1 by 2 with 1 by 4. If you do not know, see, LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. 2 2s are 4, and 2 should be multiplied with numerator 1. 4 1s are 1 1s are 1, 3 by 4. So it becomes 3 by 4. So let us put it like that. So now it is 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. When added to 1 by 2. 3, oh sorry, this is 3 by 4. See, this is 3 by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 1 3 is a 3, it becomes, sorry, it becomes 5 by 4, correct? So 5 by 4. So sorry. So it becomes 5 by 4. Okay, 5 by 4 x plus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 means 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. 4 is the LCM. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, minus 4 1s are 4, 1 3s are 3. It becomes minus 1 by 4. So the question becomes 5 by x minus 1 upon 4 y. One bracket, another bracket. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 becomes minus 1 by 4. So it becomes minus 1 by 4 x. Now half means 1 by 2 y plus 3 by 4 y will become plus 5 by 4 y. So you should put it like this: 5 by 4 x minus 1 by 4 y multiplied by 5 by 4 y minus 1 by 4 x. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 14. Now come to question number 15. Question number 15, as you can see, is a multiplied by a minus 1 minus b multiplied by b minus 1. Okay. Acha, suppose this question is given and asks to factorize. So what will you do? Instantly you cannot find out the question based on a square minus b square. So first of all, even if you want to take some common or like that, or want to take some HCF, you need to first of all open the bracket. So open the bracket first. So a multiplied by a becomes a square minus a multiplied by 1 becomes a. Now open the second bracket. So b multiplied by b becomes b square, and minus minus plus, and b multiplied by 1 become b. Okay. Now this is the first step. In second step, it is very obvious that we can put a square minus b square. Okay, make it like this, and see what we have done in our earlier chapter. As I told you, we need to, now we are grouping them. Okay, so don't forget, we are grouping the terms. So see, okay, so this is grouping. If you see in my last lecture, lecture number 3 or lecture number 2, there I have explained how to factorize using groups. Okay, so we have applied that grouping formula here, grouping process. Now you need to factorize this one only. How it become? It will become a minus b and a plus b, correct, and minus a minus b. Okay, now up to this is done. And if you have seen my lecture number 1, there I said that lecture was based on taking commons only. So here what we can see, a minus b is the common term. So now from lecture number 1, by taking common terms out, what is left inside the bracket? Inside the bracket is left with a plus b minus 1. Okay, now open the bracket inside. It will give you a plus b minus 1. So this is the answer for the above question. Now this I have shown you. Now see the question number 16 visible on your screen. It is 1 minus 2ab minus a square plus b square. Correct. So what will we do? Just open the bracket first and nothing else. Minus 2ab, if you open the bracket it will become minus a square minus b square. I could have done it in one step, but for your understanding I am doing these steps. Okay, so I have first of all I have opened the bracket. Now in second step, take minus common out and combine all those terms. Again grouping, I am grouping the terms. Okay, I am grouping the terms. Now I have grouped it. Now just for this time, just note it down. If we take the whole square of two quantities, what I said in earlier lecture, that square of the first term plus square of the second term plus 2 times of the product of the first and second term. So mind it. So now it will become 1 minus, it is the square of a plus b, it is the a plus b whole square. So now it is 1 is, now it is the square of two quantities. If you're not able to see, it is like this only. Okay, so now put sum and as a sum and difference. Let us, the sum is like this and the difference is 1 minus a minus b. If you open the bracket it will become 1 minus a minus b. I think you understood. If you have any problem in understanding the steps, kindly comment in the comment section. Now come to question number 17. What is question number 17? It is again given 3a to the power 5 minus 48a to the power 3. See the numbers first. Instantly you cannot see this question is based on a square minus b square, but if you in question, if it is given to factorize, you have to start it. Okay, how we should start? First of all, see the coefficients. It is 3 here, it is 48 here. So can we take something common? Yes, 3 is the common HCF of 3 and 48. So take 3 outside the bracket. Inside the bracket we are left with a to the power 5 minus 16, 3s are 48, 16 inside. Okay, so this is our first step. Now second step. Okay, 5 is odd, 3 is odd. Okay, now take the HCF of 3 and 5. It is obviously highest common factor. How can you find it? Highest common factor of 3 and 5. This I am telling it. See, what is the common between a to the power 3 and a to the power 5? You can express a to the power 5 as like this, correct? And here it is 16. 16 can be expressed as, put it like this only. Sorry, just wait. Hmm. So it becomes 16. Okay, a cube. You can put a cube as correct. You can put na. Okay. Now, okay. So uh, you better just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Don't put like it like this. Let it be like this only. Just wait. Hmm. Yeah. Yes. It is put like this. A ki power cube. Put it a ki power cube as it is. Okay. Now you can see we can take common what? A ki power 3. This is the this term we can take common because a to the power 5 can be, as I told in my earlier chapter, a you can put a to the power 5 as like this, correct, and a ki power q as a into a. So we can take this as common. So a to the power 3 is common. Now inside the bracket it is a square minus 4, correct. So it becomes a 3a ki power cube, and you can express it as sum and difference. This is the sum and this is the sorry, again, sorry. So this is minus of 2. So this is the answer, correct. I hope you have understood the point. Okay, 16 is a square of 4. Sorry, one thing. 16 is, just wait, 16 is square of 4. So we should express it as like this. Just wait. Need to correct it. Need to correct it. Hmm. What it is said. Yeah, 16 is square of 4. Okay, a square and 4 square. So 3a cube a minus 4 and a plus 4. So this is your answer. So better you put in a square term, otherwise there is a possibility of mistake, and when you practice it will become easier for you. So come to question number 18. Question number 18, it is given that x ki power 8 minus 1, we need to factorize it. Okay, so how can we express as a square terms? You can put x, you can put it like this, x to the power 8. If you have learned in the chapter of indices, it is, you can put x to the power 8 as x to the power 4 to the square of x to the power 4, and you can express 1 as a square of 1. Now express as a sum and difference. Now these are a square minus b square. Now expressing it as a sum and difference. So this is a square, this is a square. So a square, this is a square, this is b square. So a plus b multiplied by a minus b, correct. Now this is the first term. Okay, now again See, this is again the form of a square minus b square. We can put it like how it is. X की power 4, you can express it as x square 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 of x to the power x square. So it will become x square minus 1, put it plus 1, and the other term will become x square minus 1, correct? Because x to the power 4 minus 1, you can express it at x की power square minus 1 square. Now apply a plus b, a minus b, correct? Okay, now see again, x to the power 4 plus 1, x to the power square plus 1, and this term will become again x plus 1, x minus 1. This is our answer for the question. ठीक है? Now question number 19 is given here. Question number 19, it is given y to the power 5 minus 16 y cube. Okay, again same thing as in our earlier question. Take y to the power 3 as common. Okay, now inside the bracket it will be y square minus 16. Okay, now this will become y cube. It is sum and difference of what? Sum of y plus 4 and difference of y minus 4. I hope you got the point. Correct? It is a, because you can express it as like this. Okay, now come to this question number 20. It is a to the power 4 minus 2b plus c to the power 4. No problem. Express it as a sum and square, square of two terms, not sum and square. Express it as square of two terms. Okay, this thing, and 2b plus c square of another square. Okay, now a square minus b square, so a plus b, this is a plus b. Okay, and a minus b would be a minus b, this is b, correct? Now in the first bracket, open the bracket, a square plus 2 2s are 4, a square plus b square. As I said you, a square plus b square plus 2ab. I am applying that formula. 2ab means 2 2s are 4bc, correct? And what about this? This will become, again applying a square minus b square here, it will become a plus b, this is b, means the second term. I am talking about second term. B means second term here, and a minus b is a minus b, this is b. This entire thing I am saying it as a b. Okay, now a square plus, this is the first term that I am copying it here, nothing to do with this, bc. Now open this bracket inside, a plus 2b plus c. Open the third bracket, a minus 2b minus C. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, this is the answer for question number 20. I hope you understood. Now question number 21. Question number 21 says 75 a cube b square minus 108 a b to the power 4. Okay. Okay. Now, what is the common between 75 and 108? Yes. Can we take 3 common out of this? Yeah, 3 can be common. If we have taken 3 common, then inside the bracket 325 75 a cube b square minus 3 3s are 9, 3 6 is 18, 36 a b to the power 4. Correct. Now it is very obvious that we can express it as a, can we express it as a, see here it is not a, and here it is a cube, not a square, a cube. Correct. Now we need to express, so before that, see a power cube and here it is a. So what is the common between a to the power 3 and a? It is, we can take out a as a common term. Take out a. Now because I want to express it as a square, so if we take out a common, it will become a square, and here it will become 1. So there would be no problem. So that's why I'm taking a outside the bracket. Now inside the bracket 5 a square, correct, 5a square b square, no, put it as 25 right now, we'll tell you later, minus 36, what, 36, we have taken out common, we have taken out a common, inside it is b to the power 4. Now in the step, third step, 3a, okay, now express 25a square b square as square of 5ab, okay, minus 36 can be expressed as 6 b to the power square. Now it will become 3a and 5ab plus 6b square, sum of two terms, and as a difference of two terms will become 5ab minus 6b square. Correct. So now it will become what? It will become 3a. Now note one more thing, you can take b common out here from here and b from here also. So taking out b common from here, it will become b 5a plus 6b inside, correct, multiplied by, you are taking out common b also from second bracket, so take b common out, so will become 5a minus 6b inside, correct. So it will become 3a, b into b will become b square, correct, and 5a plus 6b into 5a minus 6b. This is your answer for this question. Okay, So see, uh, I want to point out one thing here. Here we have taken b common out of these two brackets, correct? We can did it here also. Where? Here, correct? This is for to make you feel easy for taking common. I did in this way. Otherwise, there is another way of doing the same thing. When you have taken the common a from here, okay, you can take b square common. See, from b square and b to the power 4, we can take b square common. So we have taken out b square common, and inside the bracket we are left with 25 a square minus 36 b square. Okay, so it will become 3ab square, correct? It is square of 5, so I am writing directly 5a plus 6b and 5a minus 6b, correct? This is the answer. Okay, very short step. So first of all, get understanding of the things by making the things simple, and then after becoming mastering the things, you can do it anyway, whichever you like. So students, I have taken up some questions on formula a square minus b square. Okay, I hope you got the points and understood the chapter. And these were very simple questions. Okay, I will bring some tough question on the same formula, based on the same formula. Okay, for your understanding and for your better practice. Okay, so students, practice more and more questions, and if you have any difficulty in some questions or some steps which you are not able to understand, you can comment me, and do your studies regularly. And if some help you need, some help from me in understanding this question, you can just comment. So students, take care, and we will meet soon with some new more questions. Till then, goodbye.